Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. My name is Anuradha Toshniwal and today I'm going to show you what the hot season brings for us. A lovely pudding with mangoes. Very simple to make, very fast with all the ingredients that are available at home. Let me show you the ingredients. 1 tin of condensed milk, 200 ml. The same tin quantity of yogurt, the same tin quantity of milk. 2 chopped mangoes. We have with us a ring mold which has been greased. We need a steaming vessel which has water in it and we shall be steaming it in this. If you have a dhokla or idli maker, you can steam your pudding in that. So let's get started. So I'm going to take my tin of condensed milk and pour it into a bowl. Make sure you take every bit of it. I'm going to pour the milk into this tin. Same quantity of milk. Mix it with the condensed milk, yogurt, measure it in the tin. So if you're buying commercial yogurt, you'll need about 250 grams. And adding it again to our condensed milk mixture. Now all we have to do is whisk it well to amalgamate and get well mixed. It doesn't have to be beaten hard, just that the condensed milk, the yogurt breaks up and the milk gets well immersed with each other. So that's given us a smooth mixture. All the yogurt particles are gone. Now I'll pour it into our ring mold. So our steaming vessel is ready. I'm going to place our ring mold into the vessel, gently cover it with our lid and let it steam. So our pudding is boiling. And I'm going to take it off the gas. You will insert a knife into the pudding and if it comes out clean, it's done. Gently take it out of the water. And we have to let it cool completely. So while our pudding is cooling down, we shall make the sauce with the mangoes. I have here 2 chopped mangoes. I'm going to add about half of this and churn them up into a paste. Now in this season we are making it with mangoes, but when it is strawberry season you can make it with strawberries with a strawberry sauce. When it is fresh fig season you can make it with fresh figs with a fig sauce in red wine if you like, or you can make it with an orange sauce and fresh oranges. So you can make this pudding all the year round, so don't let the mangoes deter you into not making it all the year round. So now our pudding is cold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape a knife through the edge. Remove the excess water that's going to come out. Take my dish and keep it over the ring mold and gently invert it. We'll take some of our sauce. Pile our mangoes in the center. Some at the corners if you like. And a steamed mango pudding is ready to be served. Do not forget to keep it very chilled, and you can make this a day before, you can make it in the morning. Only remember to remove the excess water and to keep it cool. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope to see you soon. Signing off now, but before that don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food and do write to us about any queries or any wishes that you may have. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today we shall show you how to make the mango sauce which you can serve over ice creams or custard or vanilla mousses, anything that you like. So you will need the pulp of 2 mangoes which you can remove and liquidize, a cup of water, a teaspoon of butter, tablespoon of corn flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let's get started. So to my 1 cup of water, I'm adding a tablespoon of corn flour. Do take the measuring spoon, it is important because you get the exact measure, and mix it well. Now we are going to caramelize the sugar. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar and put it directly onto this hot pan without any water and let it melt. Do not stir the sugar at all. It's starting to melt a little now. So now we can see it browning. We'll just push in the edges a bit and add your corn flour water to the pan. The sugar will form into a solid mass, but don't worry, it will melt as soon as the water starts boiling. But keep stirring because the corn flour will get lumpy and the sauce will be lumpy if you do not stir it. And now our sauce has become opaque and thick. And our sugar's melted and our sauce has become a nice golden color. Let it boil till the sugar melts. To this we are going to add the mango pulp, a teaspoon of the butter. Butter gives it a very nice finish, and mix it well. Let it boil. And our sauce is ready. Now how I like to serve this sauce is by taking a whole block of the vanilla ice cream, putting it onto the serving plate and pouring the cold sauce over the ice cream and serve. It looks very dramatic and it tastes very good. But of course you can try it any other way that you want. So a request to all of you to please subscribe to Rajshri Food. If you would like to learn a special dish, then do let us know. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. My name is Anuradha Toshniwal and I'm going to show you a wonderful cold fresh mango salad. There's a little twist of a khatta meetha taste in it. So let's get started. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients. So we have 1 mango. You can take any mango in the season, Alfonso's and the Sherry, then Safeda. So it's up to you to take whichever mango. Then I've cut it into long strips, but it can be your choice to cut into cubes or strips or whatever else you like. We have with us white vinegar, some powdered sugar, paprika powder, salt, and red chopped capsicum and a green chili. So now I'm going to make the dressing. So we're taking, for 1 mango, basically we take for the dressing 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. To that we add 1 teaspoon of sugar, bit of salt, but I'm putting half teaspoon paprika powder inside the dressing and half teaspoon I'm going to take as the garnishing. Just mix this dressing well so that the sugar dissolves. Dish of your choice. I've just made some chili flowers and this is the red capsicum and green chili, and just sprinkle it on the serving tray just to give it a color. Now I've cut the mangoes in long strips, so I'm just going to pick up this whole fan and place it gently It's not that difficult to do, just have to have a little patience and spread out the slices. We have a little bit left over which we can just put in between. The remaining red capsicum is sprinkled on top. Take a little bit of our dressing and pour it over the mangoes. Little bit of the paprika powder, and our mango salad is ready. Hope you enjoyed my colorful cold mango salad with the red peppers, and I hope you will make it this season. Please subscribe to Rajshri Food, and any queries you have, do write to us and we will answer all your questions. See you soon. Bye bye. Welcome to Rajshri Food. My name is Anuradha Toshniwal and it's my pleasure to bring to your table a wonderful mango dish for this season called fajita. Fajita is like a mock curry made out of mangoes. So now let's go through the ingredients. 1 Alfonso mangoes and 2 Pyri mangoes. Pyri mango is very indigenous to the Maharashtra area, but anywhere in the country you can use a sour mango, so it depends on what is available at your part of the country. 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of the ginger green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, sugar to taste, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and for tempering we have mustard seed, green chilies, lots of curry leaves and red peppers and a pinch of asafoetida. So let's get started. This is our Pyri mango, and how do we take out the juice? So all we do is we loosen up the whole flesh from the skin by going round and round and slightly punching it so that it gets soft inside and squishy. Needless to say that you have to take ripe mangoes. So now this is nice and soft. We will remove the top black thing and gently squeeze out the juice. Be careful, and the seed. Don't be scared to mess your hands up, it doesn't matter. But take out every bit of the pulp. I have here with me 3 cups of water. Squeeze out the seed as much as you can, like this. Take out the pulp and put it into this water. Do the same with the second seed and also with the third. And just wash the whole seed in this water. Squeeze out all the pulp and wash well, so that you have just the bare thread of the seed remaining. See? This is how it should be. Be careful it doesn't slip here and there. Do it inside the water, it's easier. The remaining mango juice, now you can flavor your ice creams or your kulfi, make it into a sauce, use it as an amras, add it to yogurt. So that's up to you what you would like to do. To our mango pulpy syrupy mixture, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour, which is besan, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and whisk this together. Mix well, and I'm adding my ginger green chili paste to the mixture. So our pan is on the fire. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, a pinch of the asafoetida, mustard seeds, you can hear them spluttering, green chilies, red chilies and the curry leaves. Once they've stopped spluttering, we will add our fajita mixture. Now we must continuously stir it till it boils, otherwise it may curdle because there's yogurt in this. So our mixtures come to nearly a boil now. To this I'm going to add some red chili powder. Now don't add too much because your green chili ginger paste is already there. Some coriander powder, salt, let it boil for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add some sugar to it. Now I'm not telling you how much because I'd like you to taste and see. Every mango has its sweet and sourness, so taste every time. You want a sweet and sour fajita. So it's boiling merrily. Our fajita is ready. So enjoy this fajita as a soup or have it with sticky rice or with slightly more well done rice. I hope you enjoyed this dish, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. If you would like to learn a special dish, then do let us know and we will try our best to accommodate and show you how to make that dish. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.